So once this open up for you, this is youtube.com on our Brave browser. So what you do right here is just come over to this part of your screen. You can see right here we have install YouTube. Can you see that? It is showing install YouTube. So just click on that and YouTube get to install for you on your laptop. Another method is for you to come to this hamburger icon right here. Once you click on the hamburger icon, so you come over to where we have save and share. Can you see that? Then right here you are saying install YouTube. So once you click on this also, YouTube will install to your laptop automatically. Just to prove to you that this thing works on any browser, I'll be going to my Chrome browser right now, so you get to see what I'm saying. This is not just for Brave browser. You can use this method on Chrome, Opera Mini, Google, whatever browser you want to use. So let me go to my Chrome browser. The same thing I did earlier on, I'll search for youtube.com. So once I come here and search for youtube.com, so this also load up for me. So what you do at this point is come over to where you have install right here. Can you see install? So once you tap on install, you see it shows install YouTube. Can you see that? So either you use this method right here, or you also come to this three dot right here. So once you click on the three dot right here, you also see cast, save and share right here. Once you click on that, then you get to see install YouTube right here. I guess you can see that. So you can also tap on this to install YouTube. So like this is a proof that this works on any browser, this method. So in case you are not computer savvy, this is how you go about installing YouTube to your laptop. So let's just try one of them and see if truly it works. Let's go practical. So once I tap on it, then right here you get to see install. So I'll tap on install right here, and I believe by now YouTube has been installed to my laptop. So as you can see, the app is up already. So this is the YouTube app. It has been installed to my laptop. So let's go and check my home screen to see if truly YouTube is installed on my laptop. So can you see right here, YouTube is now showing right here. As you can see on the home screen, you can see that YouTube has been installed to my laptop. So I believe you got value watching this video. I believe you got value. Just go ahead and try this and do it for yourself. It's very simple, guys. So if you got value, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.